In this video, I'll show you how to make a sunburst effect in Photoshop. You can download the images in the description down below. Choose the Object Selection tool and select the subject. Press Ctrl-J to copy the selection on a new layer. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle like this. Max out the stroke and make sure there is no fill. Follow these settings. Right-click and choose Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl-T and adjust the size and position. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate it. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Select these two layers and press Ctrl-G to group them. Add a gradient adjustment layer. Set it to radial and follow the process. Right-click and choose Clipping Mask. Select these two layers and press Ctrl-G to group them. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the group. Change the blending mode to Linear Dodge. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the group one last time. Lower the fill. Select the top layer and add a new layer. Change the blending mode to Soft Light. Right-click and choose Clipping Mask. Press I to sample a color. Press B and choose a soft round brush. Lower the flow and draw some light on the subject. That's it, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for the support, guys.